In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a half wall in Planner 5D. So to do this, there's no direct function. However, I found a great workaround, which I'm going to show you right now. So first, you want to select the wall you want to make into a half wall. It's going to be this one for me. So I'm going to click on here, click on it, and click on the hide button. Then you want to create a new thing, which is called, of course, a cube. So if you want to go to the build mode, you have forms, and you want to click on the cube. Now, when you do that, a cube will appear, and now we have to change its dimensions. Okay, so over here, for example, you can see I can of course create it to be of course the exact same dimension. So what I'm going to do right now is click on here, and I'm going to change the width of it, so it's going to actually become the same dimension as this. So if I'm not mistaken, over here this one is basically 2 meters 20. So I'm just going to type in width 220 like this, and there we go. This is now fitting it directly in here, which is great, exactly what I wanted. Now we can align it as well, and then you want to change the depth as well. So the depth here is going to be 10 because our walls are 10 in depth, in thickness, as you can see over here. And then what you want to do is select the height. Now the height by default of my walls over here, I know for a fact, are 270, as you can see over here. So let's say you actually want to make a wall which is like a half wall, and it's not 270, but it's like maybe like 150 or 160 or whatever. So I'm going to click on it over here, and I'm going to change the height to 160. Now when you click out here, you can now check in 3D mode, and you can see, there we go, this is already kind of a half wall. Now what you want to do is go back here and just position it correctly to where you want it to be. So I'm going to click on over here, and I'm going to put it just like that, and there we go, that's roughly fine. If you may find it hard to actually move it around with your mouse, you could just use your arrow keys on your keyboard, and it's going to make it to where you can basically go very in detail and put it however you want that way. And then whenever you're ready, you can just click on it and then click on this style tool, and you can then style it however you want. So we can style all of them, top, bottom, right, whatever. I'm going to click on all over here, and now you can of course find whatever. So for example, let's say I want to make it like look a bit more like it is over here. I'm going to click on like concrete, for example, there we go, and that's going to make it look much more realistic. So if I now go to 3D mode, there we go, there's now our wall, which is essentially a half wall, and we've created it very easily. Okay, so that's how we do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.